Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Coming to you with another unboxing for one of our customers at SneakerSin. We are still currently here in Singapore. I know a lot of you are probably celebrating your holidays or getting ready for them. We are doing the same, but the orders still come in. If you haven't, take advantage of those holiday deals that are going on right now. So again, of course, you have seen 350 Yeezy boxes before. This is going to be a 7.5 pair. And this is going to be the Yeezy Beluga 2.0. So if you know the original Belugas, you'll know a little bit about the history, and we'll talk a little bit about that as we do this unboxing today. Give us some good space there. And yeah, if you notice something here, as we have said, if you look on the website in the frequently asked questions, we actually do source sneakers at times from StockX. So this customer is getting a pair from StockX. And let's get into the shoe. So the Yeezy Beluga 2.0 takes Kanye West's famous Adidas sneaker full circle, basically by returning to the colors of the first Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2. So while the original colorway actually featured a bright orange official like solar red, there's a big stripe here, this 2017 release of the Yeezy Beluga is much more subtle. So instead of having that solar stripe, you have more of the actual lettering in the solar. So very, very nice pair here. You can see your toe. You can look at your stitching. Of course, all the tags that come with them as well. Still attached. Sizing. Pull tabs. Everything there. Got our stripes as well, of course. And then that official StockX tag as well. One of the things I like to show is the labeling as best as possible. It's one of those things that people actually pick up on and have looked at in unauthorized or sneakers that are not authentic out there. Of course, I'll set this pair aside and I'll pull the next one out, and then we could actually look at the insoles as well. So this colorway utilizes the same zebra-like stripes as the original, but the Supply 350 branding is the only part of the upper that actually has the contrast that you're looking at there on that bold orange, if you will. So the Yeezy Beluga 2.0 nickname actually comes from the similarities that it has to the colorway, to the official one, but it's definitely different. It's gray, has the bold orange and the dark gray in there. But for me, personally, this reminds me a lot of the zebra. That's a little bit what it looks like more to me, but that's just personal opinion for sure. We'll give you some of the detail on the boost. Apologies about the light kind of blasting it there. Just trying to do some lighting so we get some good lighting on the actual sneaker. Pull out the insoles here, and then we'll go ahead and take a look on the inside at the insole. And of course, you know what you're looking for with the insoles here. You want to have your branding, everything on there as well, size of the shoe, and of course, a nice deep embossed Adidas logo and everything on there as well. Nice little toe pads. Yeah, you can see it. Pretty cool. Boost is awesome on this pair. Definitely one of the most comfortable sneakers that I actually personally enjoy rocking myself. Wasn't a real big fan of the Yeezys when they came out, but once I got a pair on my feet, yeah, I was sold. There you go, labeling as well. All right, stuff this insole back in there. And we will get this out to a customer as soon as he's ready. So there you have it. Unboxing of the Yeezy Beluga 2.0. Definitely not the original colorway with the orange and the bold orange stripe on the side, but definitely one of the classics in the Beluga series for sure. All right, that does it for us here at SneakerSin. If you're traveling, enjoying your holidays, please do so. Make sure you do look at the site. We have some deals going on right now. So there's definitely some sales and some opportunities to actually still cash in before Christmas. So this pair originally, original retail price for this pair was, I think, about $220 US. And yeah, right now, currently on SneakerSin, of course, this is a very high sought after pair. We have it for 600, and that's Singapore dollars. So all the prices that we have are local for Singapore. So right now we have it for $6. Actually, if you go online right now, you could actually get a 20% discount if you actually tried to purchase this pair. It would be automatically applied at checkout. So there you have it. Nice pair, 350 Yeezy Boost Beluga 2.0. Thank you from SneakerSin. We'll see you again soon.